Before we get started, I want to tell you about a company who's been providing telecom services since 1985. US Tech is an industry leader in providing low-cost VoIP, UCaaS, SIP trunks, and every kind of telephone service in between, including our new AI agent, which gives your business assurance that you'll never miss a call again. US Tech can drastically lower your phone bills, provide telephone service for your home or business within hours, and provide ongoing technical support along the way. That's US Tech. Call, text, or chat today and let US Tech do the work for you. All right, once you have your IP address, you're going to want to go to a web page and paste it into your browser up here. Click enter, and then that'll bring you to this T74W web GUI page, where the login by default will be admin. Username is admin lowercase, and the password is admin lowercase as well. Then you're going to hit login. That'll bring you to this page right here.